It can also be recommended at sometimes. Okay? And that is mandub, or is mustahab, if there is a maslaha shar'iyya, if there's a sharia benefit of why you're marrying a second. Meaning, you are able to fulfill the first wife, you can give her rights, you're sexually fulfilling her as well, you're fulfilling her financial needs as well, you're fulfilling everything, the huquq, and your children, and you're giving everyone their rights. And then, you're now going to marry a woman who is either a divorcee, a woman who is struggling in life. She's in an area where she is struggling financially, or she's got children and she needs somebody to help her with it, or she's an orphan and she needs وهكذا, and you're marrying her to help her, then this is mustahab, it's recommended.